to today's video. So today I actually filmed this video before, and there was like annoying sound in it again. I think it's because I'm not having it plugged in all the way, so I'm using it without the mic to see what it is going. So yeah, we're going to use it without the mic today and see. So today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup look. Now I'm going to be talking you guys through it because I forgot to film me doing my everyday makeup. So this is I have two everyday makeup looks that I normally do. So this is one of them. So I'm going to be talking about this look today. So yeah. So first thing that I do is I prime my face. Now I use the e.l.f. Luminous Matte Makeup Primer. Use that one. I used it today, and I switch between the two. I use Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Like I said, I switch between these two. This one I'm wearing today. So while I let that soak in, I like to do my eyebrows. Now I take a kind of like a spoolie brush. I use soap to kind of instead of using a brow gel, just because I don't have one right now, and that's the only thing that I can use that I can think of. So I just kind of do that. I let it dry. While I let it dry, I actually use face primer. Now I made my own face primer. I will be doing a DIY video once this is out. I will be doing a video on how to make this and my face primer as well, and my finishing spray as well in the future once all of these products or all of these DIY little things are completely gone. And then as well, once I've done the primer, you guys probably all know now that this is my favorite eyeshadow palette. And I like to use 3 colors. And for this look, I used 3 colors in this palette. And then the other look, I use a variety of all my shadows, all my eyeshadows palettes. So I use this one on my eyelid, and then I normally use this one on the crease, and then I blend the crease color. There we go, okay. And then I normally put this color in the brow bone. Now after I do that, I like to I like to do eyeliner. Now I'm using gel eyeliner now, or no, backtrack. I wanted to find a good gel eyeliner and I couldn't find one, so once I got my special effects kit stuff, I was looking through it and I saw this. This is the Graftopian Cream Foundation in black. I absolutely love this cream foundation for eyeliner. It's amazing. And then to set the cream foundation, I use the Too Faced I Want Candy eyeshadow palette, and I take the color Licorice Rope, which is this one, and I kind of use the eyeliner brush and just set the lip liner. Wow. Eyeliner. Wow, I can't speak today. Eyeliner on the yeah, okay. Next, I curl my lashes using the QC Makeup Academy Lash Curl curler. And then I normally use, actually I have to put this one back in the kit because I didn't realize I had it in here. I use two mascaras. Normally the CoverGirl Star Wars The Force Awakens, the Supersizer mascara I would use on my lower lashes, and then I would use the Winky Lux So Extra mascara on the top, or vice versa. And these are the two mascaras that I use every day. And then once I do my mascara, I like to do my foundation. Now I have a lot of foundations to choose from, but some of them are for more of the summer. And yes, so this is the one that I'm actually wearing today. This is the Lucica Skin Perfecting BB Cream. This has SPF 30. I like this one. Probably all foundation. Out of all the foundations that I have, this one is probably my favorite. And then I also have the CoverGirl BB Cream Tinted Moisturizer. And it also has SPF 20. And I like this one. This one I use more in the summer. Well, actually, I have a bunch of them that I use in the summer, but this is one of them. We have the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Makeup Foundation. And it has SPF 50 in it. I use this one more, I think, for the summer. Yeah, and then we have the Maybelline BB Pure 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Clearing Perfector. I like this one. This one I also use for or during the summer. It's nice. And then the Derma Blend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigment. So I guess you can use these without foundation with it, or with foundation in it. I normally use it with. Just to give me more coverage effect. I usually pair it with this one or this one, and yeah, it's almost gone and I really like it. But yeah, I don't usually use it that often, but I think I'm going to start using it. But yeah, okay, that's all the foundations that I have. Now I normally start by using concealer. Now, here's this also goes into my makeup kit, but I sometimes use this. I use the just one color. I use this the lightest color to conceal, and then I just do half moon shapes under my eyes, around the nose, and then any blemishes that I have. So I sometimes use this. I feel like I use it more because I'm almost out of my Maybelline concealer. That's what I normally would use instead of this. So I'm actually gonna put it in here because I'm almost out of it anyway. Okay, so now that I have my concealer on, I would set it with my Ulta finishing powder. This is the lightweight matte finishing powder, and this is in translucent. I like using translucent powder more than just like this, like the CoverGirl True Blend powder. This one is in light. But, yeah. And then once I do my finishing powders, I like to, actually no, I do my Rimmel Maxi Blush in Third Base. I love this blush. It's probably one of my favorites. And then I use my MAC Fix Plus. Now, this is another DIY product that I made. Why does it keep saying thing that I made? and I will also be doing, once I get done with this, I'll also be doing a video on how to do it. I think I'm going to do all of the DIY things that I made. I'll do it in one video, so yeah, that's this. And then normally after that I would do my, the last thing I would do is my lips. Now, sometimes when I do my skincare, the last step I do is putting on some like chapstick, and I did that today. But normally in other videos, like when I do a makeup look for a video, I would not do that, and I would have a different lip balm that I would use. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips lip balm. This is just like a bigger one. I'm almost out of it though. I absolutely love it. And then for any makeup look, or if I just want to, I think I'm gonna put this keep this in my bathroom, like, near my skincare stuff, because I want to use this more than the chapstick that I'm using. But yeah, because it's a pinky type color. So yeah, and then I have a good variety of, since I have two makeup looks I use, I'll just show you all the glosses and lipsticks that I use every day. I know 5 lipsticks that I use every single day for the 2 makeup looks. Now, for these 2, I would use for the other makeup look. The other makeup look I would do, my everyday makeup look is it's just like a 50s makeup look, and I just switch between these 2 reds. This one is from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay 24-Hour Lip Color, and this one is Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Spicy. And those are the other, for the other makeup look that I do, like the 50s look that I said. And then these 3 I actually use for this look that I'm wearing right now. So this is the lipstick in Frog Prince. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is the 2. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys on Wednesday for another video. Bye! Bye!